CyberPanel is a popular control panel that can be used to create and manage WordPress sites. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step the general process of creating a WordPress site within this control panel. But first, let's take a look at an overview of the steps covered in this guide. First, I'll show you how to create a website. Then I'll show you how to open up the website management page and install WordPress with the Lightspeed Cache plugin for WordPress. And then finally, I'll then show you how to access the WordPress backend for the site that you've just created. So the first thing is to log into the CyberPanel backend. So you simply need to type in the server IP address and append the port number 8090. So once you've done that, you'll see the CyberPanel dashboard. On the dashboard, you can just simply click on the websites function and then click on the create website button. So this will then open up the create website page. Select the package, select the site owner, and then enter the domain name for the site. So in my case, it's wordpress.net. I'll then specify an email for this website and select a PHP version. You can also select an additional feature such as SSL and then click on the create website button. So the website creation is now in progress. So the system will then go through to create the DNS records and as well as set up the needed directories for the website. So it will also set up SSL for you and you'll see a successfully installed message once the process is complete. So if you go on the list websites link, you just simply need to click on the manage link. So that will then open up a page that allows you to manage the website. But before we do that, let's take a look at the PHP configuration for the version that we selected. And we just need to make sure that we have a sufficient config value for the memory limit as well as other important parameters. So I'm just going to return back to the website management page for the site we've just created. And then you simply need to scroll down and then click on the WP plus LS cache option on the app installer section. So we're going to set the blog title or the site title, the WordPress site title actually to wordpress.net. Then I'm going to specify the username and password for accessing the WordPress WP admin backend as well as an email address for the site. So it's going to go through to automatically create the database. It will automatically download the WordPress core for you and you just simply need to wait for the process to complete. So once the download completes, it will go through to configure the installation and install the LS Cache plugin automatically for you. Again, you'll see a successfully installed message once the process is complete. So to access the site, you simply need to type in the domain and then put a /WP admin parameter at the end. So I'm going to type in my login details and then click on the login button. So as you can see, we've successfully accessed the WordPress backend for the site. So normally I usually like to customize the WordPress dashboard. So if you click on screen options, you can then select which widgets you like to see. So in my case, I just like to start off on a clean slate, and I also like to change the kind of like the admin color scheme to a modern look. So I'm just going to click on the update profile and you'll see that the color scheme has actually changed. So if you go back to the home page, you can actually see that we've got the dashboard here. And if you open up a new tab, we should be able to actually see the front end. So as you can see, this is the 2024 WordPress default theme that also gets automatically installed with WordPress. So basically, this is a basic flow of how you can actually quickly set up a WordPress site within the CyberPanel Control Panel. I hope this tutorial has been informative and I'd like to thank you for viewing.